Good day. In this video, we're going to discuss how to read and understand the Australian Visitor Visa Grant Notice. So here we are on google.com and we're going to search for a sample Australian Visitor Visa Grant Notice. Okay, and then once we get the search results, I'm going to go to images, and from the images I've picked out these two as good examples. So this is a visitor visa that's been granted with two conditions: no work and 3 months maximum study. The date of grant is the 10th of February 2020, and the must not arrive after date is the 10th of August 2020. So basically this visa has been granted for 6 months, and during that 6-month period the applicant can stay for 3 months from each date of arrival. So it's a multiple entry visa, as it says here. The visitor visa is being applied for in the tourist stream and granted in the tourist stream, and all these information here is the visa grant number, the applicant's passport number, the application ID, and the transaction reference number. So whoever has posted this on Google has obviously, taken that off for their privacy. So that's a 6-month visa. Another example I found is another visitor subclass 600 granted on the 31st of January 2019. The must not arrive after date is the 31st of January 2020. So this is a visa that's been granted for a period or duration of 1 year. Okay, and during that 1 year period, the applicant can come in multiple times, multiple entries, and on every entry they can stay for a period of up to 3 months from the date of each arrival. Okay, so that's how you read the visa grant notice. Again, here is all the visa application details: the applicant's name and date of birth, the date of grant, passport, and etc., etc. Some visas, for example, can be granted for 3 years. So instead of 2020, it would be 2023. So the must not arrive after date would be 31st of January 2023. Sorry, 2022 if it's a 3-year visa. Some visas can be 6 months entry, 6 months stay on each entry. Some can be up to 12 months. So if for the longer visitor visas, you can get a 6-month stay on each arrival or a 12-month. So that's how you read it. So basically, date of grant to must not arrive after can be 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 3 years, or even 5 years if you have a very good visa travel history. The length of stay can be 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months on each arrival, and you can have multiple entries. Now, with the longer visas, the 3-year and the 5-year, the case officer can put a condition called the 8558 condition, which is a maximum stay of 12 months in an 18-month period. So if you want me to make a video about that, please like this channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and in the comments put please make video for 8558 condition, and I will make a separate video for that, because that could be a video in itself. It will take me I'll show you an easy way how you can calculate that you're not breaching that condition. So that's that. The only other variation is if you've applied for a visitor subclass and the stream here, instead of tourist, it will be a sponsored family stream. So the sponsored family stream, instead of multiple entries, it will be single entry. It can also be granted for a 3-month stay on each arrival, 6 months, or 12 months. So basically, you will have the same date of grant and date of must not arrive after. Sometimes they give you 3 months to activate the visa. Sometimes they give you 6 months. Sometimes they give you 12 months to activate the visa. Basically, you have one entry to activate the visa and then stay for the term of stay. And for this general tourist stream, if in this example the applicant came on the 30th of January 2020, 1 day before the visa expires, they could still stay for and complete their 3-month stay. So I hope you've liked this video. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you. Okay, I found another good example. Just thought I'd add it on to this video. Now, this is a example of a single entry visa. So let's go through the grant details. It's a visitor visa, subclass 600 in the tourist stream. The visa was granted on the 20th of October 2017, and it was and its must not arrive after date is the 20th of April 2018. So between the grant date and the must not arrive after date is a period of 6 months. So the visa has been granted for a period of 6 months. The applicant or the visa holder can come in anytime during that 6 months for one single entry, so travel facility single, and they can stay for 3 months. So once they come in, they can come in on the 21st of October 2017, one day after the visa was granted, or even one day before the visa expires on the 19th of April 2018, and they can still use up their 3 months on each arrival, or on their one single entry arrival. Now, if this was a multiple entry visa, they could, as I said earlier, they could come in multiple times. So say once in October 2017, stay for 3 months, leave, and they could come in again on the 19th of April, one day before the visa expires on the in 2018, and then use the visa for another 3 months. So the must not arrive after date is the date where you need to, it's the visa expiry date, but it's also the date that you need to be in Australia before to activate whatever stay period is remaining on the visa. So it could be 3 months stay, 6 months, 12 months stay. So if you've come in on the 19th of April or even the 1st of January, right in between, and you're scared that your must not arrive after date will make you be unlawful, that's not the case. The visa stay period starts from the day you enter. So that could even be the day before you arrive, the day before your must not arrive after date. So your must not arrive after date is your visa expiry date, but it's also the date where you can activate the visa and stay past that date. So that's how that works. You don't have to worry about going past that date if you have come in before that date and you go past that date, because the stay period starts from your arrival date, and you can complete that period even after you must not arrive after date. And if you have any concerns, you can go to Vivo and double check that, or you can ring the call center and confirm if you need to. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, post them in the comments below. Let me know if you want me to make a video about the 8558 condition, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.